Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way. Alright my peeps, today we're gonna make some cheesy garlic bread for you. Homemade, alright? And we're gonna try to make it on the healthier side by using all or straight olive oil instead of any butter. Alright, let's get into this video. Now I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons instant yeast, sprinkle that in, 1 egg, put it at the side. Now we're gonna go in with 2 tablespoons of sugar, put it over the yeast. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon salt. All right. And I'm not going to put it directly over the yeast. I'm just going to put it at the side like that. I'm going to add a tablespoon of parsley flakes. It's optional. I'm going to go in with some olive oil. So we're going to add 1, 2, 3. All right. 3 tablespoons of extra virgin. And this is my cold press. And the final thing you need, guys, you need some warm milk. You want to insert your finger and it should be warm but not boiling hot, okay? And we're going to pour this in 1 cup, okay? And this is 2% milk. And that's it, guys. Go ahead and give this a little mix. This recipe you can dust it with flour, but I'm gonna dust it after. Now I'm gonna put some olive oil. You wanna oil your hand and you wanna oil the surface a little bit. All right, about a teaspoon will do. And then we're gonna take out the goodness, put the bowl down for later. All right, and you wanna go ahead and knead it for 7 to 10 minutes. All right, and you need your scraper. If it gets stuck, you might need that. All right, guys, this is good. It's stretchy somewhat, and this is what we want. All right. Okay, grab your bowl, put a little bit of olive oil, about ½ teaspoon. Use a little swirl. All right, and we're gonna let this rise for about 60 to 90 minutes. Cover it with some cling wrap and a kitchen towel, and you're good to go. So here I have some mozzarella and some regular cheddar. We're gonna set that aside, and now we're gonna make like the paste. If you like a lot of garlic, go ahead and put a lot. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of garlic. This is my blended seasoning. I will leave a link. It has pimento, thyme, scallion, garlic, onion, ginger. All right, I'm gonna put like a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a half. Put a little bit more parsley flakes, about ½ teaspoon. We can use some melted butter or some softened butter and mix this in, but I'm not going to use any butter today. I'm going to go in with just 2 teaspoons, 1 of olive oil. Look at the goodness here, guys. Just go ahead and mix this in. All right, my peeps, so when you mix it together like this, you want to set this aside. All right, my peeps, I'm back. Look at this, guys. Fat. All right, look at this, guys. Yeah, so you want to punch out any extra air bubbles. You're going to put a little bit of flour on your surface. take this out. What I like to do, guys, before I actually take it out of the pan, I like to fold it a few times. All right. So what you want to do now, you want to flatten it out, and I'm going to use my pizza pan. You can use greaseproof paper. I'm going to use a little bit of olive oil, like half teaspoon or so. I'm going to grease the bottom of my pan, and I'm going to take my dough out, and I'm going to set it in the middle like so. You can make it round, you can make it square, it's up to you. All right, this way. So I'm just going to push the bread towards this direction. Cover up it for another, say, 20 to 25 minutes, and then we're gonna come back. All right, my peeps, so here we at after about 20-25 minutes, and you want to go ahead and preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use a knife, but I'm going to use this one, my cutter or scraper, how they want to call it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to make some cut. All right. All right, guys, and then you want to do the same thing across. Okay. So this one is garlic and herbs. Lots of flavor. So what you want to do now, go ahead and brush it on it. Ooh, wait. Just brush it all over, guys. It's gonna be so good. Ooh, boy, oh boy. Oh, remember to brush the sides. Just use the brush and brush the sides too. All right, guys, because you don't want the side to dry out. And you remember oil in there, so just go ahead and brush the sides. Now this is my mozzarella and my regular cheddar. I'm gonna mix them together like that. Just take up a little like that, okay? All right, and then you're just gonna stuff it. Just squeeze it a little and stuff it. Okay. Like so. All the pockets or the cuts, and then I'm gonna come back. Grab some of the cheese in your hand, and you're just gonna roll it like this. All right, and then you're just gonna set it like that. How easy. Okay, just gonna go in with some milk, not too much. You can just use olive oil too. All right, my peeps, and look at the goodness. Nothing more. Now we're gonna pop this in the oven and we're gonna bake it for 25 minutes, and then I'll come back. Woo, guys, look at this. Oh, mama mia. Yes. And after 25 minutes, guys, it's all done. And look how big it is, guys. So soft and nice. Look at that. Oh yes. All right, guys, I'm just gonna rip apart some and show you, and we're gonna enjoy. And this is it. You can serve it up hot or cold, it's up to you. And look how big it is, guys. So soft and nice. Look at that. Oh yes. And guys, this is it. This is my cheesy garlic and herb bread for you. It's full of flavor and it's super delicious. Yeah. So here goes. We're just gonna pull apart piece for you. You ready for it, guys? Yes. Ooh. Super good. Look at the bread, guys. It's super light. It's hot too. Ooh, you see how it rip apart, guys? Ooh, hot. Ooh, hot. But this is it, guys. You see how light the bread is? Full of flavor. So good. So good. This can feed a whole family, guys. My daughter has some, and just continue to break it off like that, guys. Oh, the bread is amazing. Look how soft my bread is, guys. Look how soft my bread is. Oh my goodness. So good. When you start to break them off, they're just gonna come in some little mini loaves, like, you see them? Look at that, guys. So soft. You can even go in there and break it off like that, guys.